Hello everyone, friends, you are on the Franklin Threads Zone channel. Today we will talk about how you can earn money from binary options without even getting off the couch. Modern technologies have opened up the possibility for us to work from anywhere as long as we have internet access. And trading, especially in binary options, is perfect for those who want to earn remotely. You can manage your finances while sitting at home, in a cafe, or even on vacation. All you need is a smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? Let's figure out how it works, but first let's open a few positions and conduct a market analysis. The Australian dollar and Canadian dollar look quite interesting. The price is falling down, breaking through all possible levels, and shows no signs of stopping. It is worth noting that we have a huge amount of volumes that are pushing the market down. This is what we will be working on. Moreover, there is only one last level left, and after that the price may either drop further down or go into a correction. Let's take a look at other currency pairs. The Australian dollar and Swiss franc also look interesting. They are also hitting a level and we might work with it later. The Australian dollar and the regular dollar also look good, and other currency pairs look quite interesting as well. We can trade on them, but of course we will choose the best option on which we can open a position. The best option is found where there are good trends. For example, like here on the Euro-Australian dollar. The price has impulsively surged upward, reaching a new high, and it is quite possible that it will decline over time. We remember this and continue to look for a good entry point. For the Euro to Swiss franc, we have an excellent trend, a head and shoulders pattern that has already played out, and now the price is going down, correcting so to speak from our mirror level. It looks interesting, but we missed this situation, so we might work on it a bit later when the lows are updated and already look for a breakout in that direction. Let's go to the broker's terminal and see what interesting options we have there. Perhaps we have a good payout percentage and we can trade here. I remind you that this is the Euro-Swiss franc and we have an 86% gain plus a great drop and nice beautiful corrections. You may notice that the charts have been lagging lately. As I understand it, this happens to everyone, not just me, so don't pay too much attention to it, but it still annoys me a little. We are opening our position for $250 to go down, just as we wanted. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar are falling sharply. Let's take a look at other currency pairs. They also look interesting. The Euro fund has a broad movement and a good sideways trend, especially when viewed on a 5-minute time frame or even on a 15-minute time frame. In this case, we are simply going for a new high and nothing is stopping the price, so we can work in this direction. Although we do have some previous highs that we would like to break through. Let's also take a look at this currency pair, examine the payout percentage and see if we can work with it here. Wonderful, we have 92% and just a great dip down. I think it's the perfect time to open a position for an upward move. But we already have 3 positions open, so we won't do that, and we'll go see what else is interesting in the market because we have quite a few currency pairs and we haven't looked at all of them. I always advise you to check all currency pairs before opening a position to choose the most interesting one, but we will follow the classic approach of going from top to bottom and opening positions as we find them. This is good, but let's talk about earning money without leaving home. Why are binary options so attractive to people who want to earn from home? Well, first of all, it's the simplicity. Unlike other types of trading, there is no need to spend long hours studying complex charts or detailed financial reports. Of course, analysis is very important, but the trading process is greatly simplified compared to other markets. Positions are closed quickly and you can see the results immediately. You can open a position in just a couple of clicks and find out the result within minutes. This is especially convenient when you don't want to spend the whole day at the computer analyzing. The strategy here is simple. We make as many trades as possible with minimal risks, thus ensuring a profit. The second factor, of course, is flexibility. You decide when to trade, at what time of day, and how many positions to take. There is no strict schedule, and you are not tied to specific hours. This allows you to combine trading with other activities. For example, you can trade during breaks between your daily tasks, while engaging in your hobbies, or even while watching a series on the couch. This is a great solution for those who are looking for additional sources of income without the need to drastically change their usual daily routine. Now let's figure out how to start earning on binary options without getting off the couch. The first step is to choose a reliable broker. I recommend that you use the broker pocket option. After you have chosen a broker and registered on the platform, I suggest that you trade a little with a very small deposit. This will allow you to test your strategies and get familiar with the platform without risking large amounts. Once you get the hang of it, you can start trading for real. And this is where the most interesting part begins. You can start with small amounts. This is one of the advantages of binary options. You don't need to invest a large amount of money right away. Start with a minimal deposit, at least $100 to $200, and gradually increase your investments as your experience and confidence grow. Many traders, starting small, have gradually increased their capital, trading literally from home on the couch at a time that is convenient for them. Now let's talk about strategies. Even if you don't want to delve into complex analysis, it is still important to understand how basic strategies work. One such strategy is trend trading. We always use this. The essence of the strategy is that you open a position for the continuation of the current trend, and if the price falls, you open a deal for a decline. If the price is rising, then go for an increase. This strategy is good because it does not require complex calculations and is based on simple observation of market movement. You can see this right now on the screen. The price is falling, we open a position for a decline. The price is rising, we open a position for an increase. Another option is trading based on support and resistance levels. The price often moves within certain boundaries, and these levels can be used to open positions. When the price approaches the support level, there is a likelihood that it will reverse and go up. Conversely, at the resistance level, the price may reverse downwards. This strategy requires a bit more observation, but over time you will easily be able to identify these levels and use them for your trading. I would like to add that it is better to use levels in conjunction with trends, especially when the price breaks a level. There is a very high probability that the trend will continue. But it is also important not to forget about the significance of risk management. Even if you are trading from the comfort of your couch, you should not relax too much and forget about discipline. Never risk too large amounts in a single position. I recommend not to invest more than 1 to 5% of your deposit in a single trade. This will help avoid major mistakes and losses, allowing you to develop calmly in trading. It is important to remember that even the simplest strategy may not work in every trade. Therefore, capital protection should be your priority. This is very, very important. Trading from home without getting off the couch is a reality, but like in any business, it is important to have a plan and stick to it. One should not think that trading is easy money. Here, as in any endeavor, success depends on your discipline, ability to analyze and learn from mistakes. And if you want to receive more training, feel free to message me privately on Telegram and we will definitely talk. Also, don't forget about my closed and open group on the Telegram channel, where trading sessions take place and we earn well together. If you want to join the team, be sure to message me privately and we will earn together. All the links are in the description. Let's talk a little more about why working from home is so appealing to people and how it affects your decisions as traders. Many underestimate the importance of emotional state during trading. When you work in an office or in stressful conditions, external factors can greatly influence your decisions. In trading, it is extremely important to maintain calmness and clarity of thought. Trading from home in a familiar and comfortable environment significantly reduces stress levels and allows you to focus on making more balanced decisions. However, it is worth noting that trading in binary options, even at home, can evoke strong emotions. Greed, fear, and anxiety are emotions that can easily take over if you do not approach the matter with a cool head. It is very important not to give in to emotions. For example, many beginners, when they see that their position is closing in the red, start to get nervous and make impulsive trades to compensate for the losses. This very often, in almost 100% of cases, leads to even greater losses. Here, discipline and proper risk management come to the rescue. The role of discipline and self-control in trading from home is very significant, as discipline is one of the key factors for success in trading. This is especially important when you are trading at home in a relaxed atmosphere. Remember, even if you are trading on the couch, you should have a clear plan, record all your trades, monitor your results, and analyze your mistakes. Keeping a trading journal will help you better understand what works and what doesn't. This is especially important when you are just starting out, because your first positions will often teach you more than any educational materials. In addition, it is worth setting aside time for regular education. Even if you have already mastered the basic strategies, there is always room to improve your skills and deepen your knowledge. For example, once a week you can set aside time to study new strategies or analyze your past trades. Trading, like any other profession, requires constant development, especially when you already have the opportunity to learn from home. You can do this at a convenient time while earning money. If you want to earn, feel free to message me directly. Well, it is also important not to forget that modern trading in binary options offers a vast array of tools for market analysis. Many of them are made as accessible and convenient as possible for use at home. You can set up alerts, use automated indicators, and even follow trading signals in my group. This will allow you to trade effectively without being distracted by constantly being in front of the screen. For example, many platforms offer built-in indicators such as moving averages, MACD, RSI, and others that help identify trends and find suitable moments to open positions. These tools significantly simplify trading, and you can trade from home without spending the whole day. It is enough to set up key indicators and monitor the signals they provide. This is especially convenient for those who want to trade while simultaneously engaging in other activities. Many successful traders started by trading from home. Working in comfortable conditions, they developed their strategies and gradually moved to a higher level. The key factor in their success was adhering to their rules and the ability to avoid succumbing to panic or euphoria. It is important to remember that successful trading is not built on a single lucky trade, it is systematic work. Even if you see several successful trades in a row, do not let that create a false sense of ease. Successful traders do not make more trades, they gradually increase their capital by maintaining discipline and risk management. So if you want to earn money from binary options without getting off the couch, you need to prepare for long-term work rather than waiting for instant wealth. In conclusion, I want to say that by trading from home, you gain control over your time and finances. You can decide how much time to dedicate to work and when to take breaks. But the most important thing is your opportunity to reach a new level of income, independent of bosses, schedules, and office conditions. So, my friend, stop procrastinating. If you haven't started your journey in binary options yet, now is the perfect time to take the first step. Right now, open the chart, start studying strategies, and practice. And if you are having trouble with something, you can always message me privately and we can discuss trading and I can guide you on the right path. And if you want to receive additional signals for earning, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel where we trade constantly. We have trading sessions that take place twice a day and you can participate in them and of course increase your deposit. And of course, within just a few months, you will be able to achieve a stable income by trading without even getting off the couch. Friends, our video is coming to an end. Our positions closed in profit. We have earned very well together and we worked very well with the trend. Thank you for that, and goodbye everyone.